Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful, the most graceful. Before we begin this presentation, I would like to thanks to all of the members of International Consortium of Community Services under Society and Empowering Program, all the participation, all the promoter to give us chance and opportunity to present our recent project under the Society and Empowering Program. The title is Monitoring the Power of Solar Panel CCTV using Blnyk Rowo Jombor. Before we start the presentation, we will divide this presentation into four sections. The first section is introduction. The second section is method. Third section is result discussion, and the last section is conclusion. Okay, shall we begin this first presentation with introductions? Yeah, Rowo Jombor is actually the place known as a socio-economic community. So what that means? It means that rather than the Rowo Jombor as also known as a red tilapia fish ponds, and actually become a vital hub for tourism. And if you see the statistical data here, the fish pond itself is produce about 1,800 tons of fish of red tilapia fish annually, and also held by 414 fish farmer. With that amount of data, and also based in our observation to the location, we found some potential to give them the new paradigm or the new concept of smart fishing. Because when we go there, we find some lack of technology that implement the fish pond itself. It means the local farmer or the local fisherman still using the old-fashioned way to fish to get to produce the tilapia fish. That's why this research project is conducted to give them some new paradigm or the new way to uh, easy to make them easier or to increasing the productivity and also addressing some issue that we have found based on our observation on that at that time on the places. The innovation that we offer is using IoT technology combining with sustainability or renewable energy. It means the system that we want to implement to the fish pond is 100% operate using the renewable or sustainable energy using solar panels. And the method of this research is conducted based on the based on the obs- to the based on the observation to the location, based on communicating with the local fishermen, communicating with the local villagers, and found some and collecting all of the data, and then we summarize into the one mind map that you can see here. So we found some environmental factors and also security concern to address with, and also this project we uh, collaborate with the local governments, and also we collaborate with the local fish farmer to make to ensure this project is long has a long-term period and sustainability as we speak. Okay, the result discussion that we have been mentioned with earlier within the method table itself is one of them is we addressing some security concerns. So uh, we develop the smart fishing concept or smart fishing technology using live feed camera and also all of the sensor interfacing that we can collect the data to analyze some to give them some report information about analyzing the condition very condition near the fish pond itself. So the data that we collected is a live feed camera and also the uh, humidity and the uh, and also the level of cleanness of the water near the fish pond itself, and also saw another live telemetry data that we collected. And you can see here, this is the left is this the transmitter, smart fishing transmitter to implement to the fish pond, and the right is the dashboard or the telemetry data, live feed telemetry data that's sent through using a long range infrastructure that to save again the cost production of this system that we implement. And this also we conduct all of the local fishermen to install also installing these devices to make sure in the future they can operating it and also to maintaining it after we left this village or after we left this project. And it's also the photo-based evidence that we collected. And you can see here, this is the transmitter that we installed in the middle of the fish pond using the solar panel, 6 solar panel and battery management system here to make sure this is running in 1 day cycle or 24 hours 1 day cycle. And the conclusion of this research project is the first is the system implementation significant advancement in the management and security of fish farming operations. and integration of renewable energy source and smart technology to improve operational efficiency, cost saving, security, enhance environmental sustainability, and the active involvement of the local community to the adaptability of system to vary conditions have been crucial in ensuring success. And the future prospect is this initiative demonstrates the potential leveraging innovative technology to address the challenge faced by fish farmer and enhance the overall productivity and sustainability of fish farming industrial operations. And that's all. Thank you for your attentions, and thank you for the time to give us to present our recent project under the Society and Empowering Program. Also, I would like to thank Allah Subhanahu wa Taala to make this project happen. Okay, before we close this presentation, would like to chant ICCS chanting. It called UMI ada, masyarakat berdaya. Okay, thank you for your timing and thank you for your attention. I will close this presentation with salam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.